Welcome to Radiator Spray.
Yeah, I'll take my one.
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe.
Good morning, everyone. Today we're at Slide Rock Park where we can play in the water. Here's Sarah and Carissa and Peter somewhere else, but we're in Sedona and it is oh, thank you. It's 2 hours north of Phoenix. So we drove 2 hours and woke up at 7:30 and left.
It's about 10 o'clock right now.
And it's about 10 o'clock.
It's so fun.
Yay!
So me and Kayla, we out here at Slide Rock National Park. So we're going to the water zone right now. I guess that's what they call it, where you slide down the water. But this is our current view right now. It's amazing. Yeah, I bet you're jealous. Please don't envy this video.
You should go.
Being heard, what a concept. Gotta stay alive, yeah, that's the mindset. Caffeine mornings, vodka nights. Gotta be awake.
We finally made it to the water area and it's so nice and it's not too hot outside. So we're excited. Here you can see what it looks like. Your non-existent abs.
So we out here in the water right here. Water feels really nice though. It's a little bit deeper right here.
Right now Peter's trying to make it seem like he has been climbing rocks. You can see he's trying so hard.
Does it look legit? Do it again.
Funny.
Just come to a stop.
We're at Baldwin Park, almost at sunset, and we're supposed to be here to see the stars, hopefully, so it'll be cool. It's so dark outside, or it's getting really dark. And Peter wants us to go into that little forest thing over there. And I'm not going.
Well, let's take a vlog in there. It'll be cool.
No!
I'll take a vlog myself.
Of our deaths? Is that
Alright, so looks like we're walking into the forest of death right now. It's really dark in there though, as you can see.
I'm trying to get killed.
Yeah. It's
Actually so scary, don't go.
It's actually kind of dark in here. There's a lot of stuff around us. I don't really want to go in here. Oh man.
It's actually really dark. It just doesn't seem like it, I guess. But now I'm scared. Do you see? Huh.
It's not that dark. It opens up right here.
Yeah, but this is scary.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, it's not that bad. But now it's like we can't even see what we want to see because we can't see what we want to see. Crescent Moon or Baldwin Trail?
Bum bum bum.
Bum bum bum. Cathedral Rock is over there. So we
you see my face now. Alright, let's go back here.
So we have to go back because we wanted to get a good view, and it's also scary, Peter. Oh my, Peter! What?
Did you get on the vlog?
Yes, I did. I hate Peter. He made me run. Chris.
Yeah, I went through.
Peter literally left me.
Okay.
Peter left me. Okay, we finally found a spot.
We did.
And it looks good.
It's very
Ooh.
flat.
Oh, there's Chris. You can't even see it, but I'll show it to you. But we just heard some coyotes.
Yeah, that was actually Peter calling to his
Wait,
brethren.
was it actually?
He was calling to his brethren.
I was like so scared. I was like, not today. I ain't dying today.
Yeah,
Oh, now it looks finally looks darker.
It's the sun at night. A night sun.
Here's the moon. Wow, it's really dark. But not dark enough yet so you can't see the stars. It's only 8:22. Good morning. Today is Sunday. And we woke up really early this morning to come on the Devil's Bridge trail and go walk to see Devil's Bridge, which is really scary. But last night we got home pretty early because we couldn't see any of the stars outside since the moon was so bright. It's supposed to be a full moon in a couple of days, so we just went back. But this morning we got some acai bowls, and those were really good at Berry Divine. And that wasn't too far away from the Devil's Bridge Trail, so we just drove up over here, and we're gonna be hiking this for the rest of the morning. And then after that, we should be going to a really cool skylift. So, yay! Hiking, we're going back to the car, but it wasn't that bad of a hike and it was really fun. And Peter sat on the edge of the bridge, which is terrifying, but I went on the bridge too and it wasn't that bad, so it was really cool. Go to the snow lift today because it was raining. But right now it's hailing outside so hard.
Hail isn't too bad though, because this hail is like snow hail.
Yeah, but it's like kind of cold. It's like 50 something degrees outside, which is very different from what we experienced when we were hiking. So Flagstaff is a little bit colder.
Yeah,
Hi, we're back in Flagstaff, the town, because we didn't do anything, so it's kind of chilly, but it's actually really cute. It's small. You can see it behind me. Krista, what you?
High five. Oh, look at this one.
Oh, whoa.
I'm gonna buy this.
3, gotta go.
No step on snake.
You Birkin Rock.
You Birkin Rock. Ah. I'm gonna leave it there so everybody can get this QR code. Yikes. I love mugs. Wow. What's the consolation mug for?
To make up for the stars we couldn't see.
Whoops.
It's me. It's me.
Chocolate. What is unicorn bark? This is you and me.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, the newsboy.
Newsboy. It's cute.
I had so much fun in Sedona and Flagstaff this weekend, and even though we couldn't see or do everything that we wanted to, it was still such a great time. I'm really looking forward to all the other trips that I'll be going on this summer, and I can't wait to show you guys.